Hi, I'm Tanisha and you're watching this video with just Tutors.com. Today we are going to learn about coordinate geometry, and in this video we'll first learn about plotting the points and then we'll try some sample problems on it. So before we move on to the topic, let us try some warm-up questions first. If you want to try the questions by yourself, you can pause the video and match your answers later. So question number 1 says, write the coordinates of the following points. And with the position of 4, we can work out it is at -4, 3. And likewise for point P, we can work out that it is at 3, -2. Now let's come to question number 2 that says, in which quadrant do these points lie? So this is quadrant number 2 and this is quadrant number 4. Pat your back if you've got all the answers absolutely correct. Well done. Now let's move on to the topic for today, which is about learning the plotting the points. So plotting the points is closely related to writing the coordinates for any point. Let's say we are talking about a certain point AB. That means the distance of the point from the y-axis is A units and the distance of the point from the x-axis is B units. Let us try to understand it better with the help of an example, and we'll try to plot the point 4, 2. That means the point is 4 units away from y-axis and 2 units away from x-axis. So let's see that how can we reach to the answer step by step. And step number 1 says we'll start with the point from where the x and y-axis cross each other. So we'll put a little dot there. And then step 2 is to take the dot from that origin point to right by 4 units, because the value of x coordinate is 4. So we are taking the dot from this position to that 4. That was our step number 2. Now step number 3 says to take that point up 2 units. That means we need to take the point from this 4 to that position because of the value of y, which was 2. And this is the final position of the point that we were searching, and you can work out that the point is 4 units away from y-axis and 2 units away from x-axis. So this is how we usually plot a point. So let's try a sample problem on it. So we need to look at the table and try to complete the rectangle with the help of the missing points there. So for quadrant number 1 and 2, the points have already been plotted. We need to work out for point number 3, quadrant number 3. So the point that we need to plot in quadrant number 3 is -1 and -2. So -1 is here and -2 is here. So that means the point would be right here. And likewise in quadrant number 4, we can see that the point is 1 and -2. That means 1 is positive and y is -2. That means the point is here. Now, as it is said in the question that the shape has to be a rectangle, so let us try to work out that whether it is looking like a rectangle with these 2 points or not. Yes, indeed it is. So that is the required answer. But every time you plot any point, do not forget to write the coordinates of that point like this. So now we can solve the question, and this is the final answer for this. Now we have got some practice questions for you, question number 1 and 2. So you can pause the video and do not forget to match your answers right here. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please log on to justtutors.com.